I guess we received this red light therapy for reviewing purposes. So let's take it out of the box. It comes with the user manual, a Type-C charging cable. Okay. And here we've got the controller. Okay. And the proper therapy belt. Okay. I'm gonna read the instructions to see how it is used, and well, let's see how it works. I'm gonna place it over my clothes. So let's go. This goes like this. Okay, now as you can see it's working, and I'm gonna place it. Okay, and it's really easy to use. Just place it around your abdomen, and with the controller you select the intensity and time you want to use it. You have 3 levels of intensity, and you can set it up to, up to 30 minutes, which I think it's really nice. It makes it easier to charge individually the receiver. As you can see, when we take it out of the magnets, you can take this part off, and we can charge it with a Type-C cable, which I think it's really nice. Okay, so you can see time's going, and I'll just place it in here, and it's perfect because you can be doing different kinds of stuff around your house, cleaning, do whatever you want, and it will be working the red light therapy belt, which I think it's really nice, really easy to use, and well, practical to have it with you anywhere you want to use it. So I would really recommend it. See ya.